Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of web designing, I am going to illustrate lecture number 26. I have already discussed and uploaded 25 lectures in this series. I hope you have watched those videos. If you haven't watched them yet, then please watch them and come back to this one. I have started a new concept of tables in my last video, and this is the code for the last video, that is the lecture number 25. I hope you have watched this video. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe FameWord Educational Hub and don't forget to press the notification bell. After pressing the notification bell, you will be able to get the notifications of my latest uploads. This channel consists of various computer science and information technology courses. So if you are a computer lover, you are at the right place. Subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the notification bell. If you are a subscriber of this channel, thanks for subscribing FameWord Educational Hub. So now let's start with the lecture number 26. Here is the code which we have used in the previous lecture, that is lecture 25. So in the last video, we just created a table with basic elements, and this was the output of the last lecture. So now today in this particular lecture, I am going to add some more elements to this table. So I am just using this code in my lecture number 26, and I have added the new elements here. I will illustrate them right now. So now we will get the output like this. Here in the last video, we just used row and column concept. Today in this video, I am going to illustrate the concept of headings. If we want to add headings to our table, then there are multiple ways to create headings. We can use bold or heading tag also, but there are predefined tags for creating headings in our table. So as you can see that this is also a row and it is the third row of the table. If we want to add heading to any column, then we just have to create a row. This row is also containing two columns, but the difference is that these divisions, these TD were simple text, but here we are using headings. So let's see, I have just created a new row, or I will just type the code again for you. We were having this code in the previous video. Now I am just creating a new TR, and this TR will be the TR for this heading row. This is the table row for this heading. Now, as we can see that we were using TD, 2 times TD for two divisions, that is two columns. So here we will not use TD, but we will use TH. TH stands for table heading. If we want 2 times heading, then we will use 2 times TH in the place of TD. TH stands for table heading. So if I am writing here heading 1, and now here I am writing heading 2. So this would be the output. We will get something like this. A new row would be added to this table and that would contain the headings. Let's see the output of this lecture. So here you can see that here we are having the output such that we are having 3 rows. We are having 3 rows. The first one is the heading. So what is the difference between the columns created using TD tag and columns created using TH tag? We can clearly see here. I'm just zooming the browser. We can see here that the columns which were created using TD tag were the normal columns. Here you can see row 1 column 1, this is TD and this is also TD. So these are giving the normal output. But when I have used TH tag for heading 1 and heading 2 at the place in the replacement of TD, we are getting bold output. We are getting the output bold. And here is a spelling mistake. Let's correct it like this. So I hope you are getting the difference here. So whenever we want to create some headings to our tables, we use THS in the place of TD. TD is used to create normal table division, whereas the TH tag, which is the subtag of TR, is used for creating table headings. I hope you are getting the concept, and if you are having any queries or confusion, then please drop your query in the comment box. I will also upload multiple lectures of this table topic further on this channel. So if you are new, then please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be able to get the notifications of my latest uploads. If you love computing and if you want to be a web developer or web designer, then please don't watch the video. If you are watching the video, then please also try to do these codes by own. If you are doing the codes by on your own, then it would be much beneficial for you because practice makes a man perfect. So also try the codes whenever you watch a video along with me. I hope you have downloaded and installed the Atom software to your computer system. It is a very cool software, and the link to the Atom software is available in the description box. So if you want to install it, it's so easy. Just go to the link in the description box and install Atom. You can also use multiple different softwares like Notepad, Notepad++, Microsoft Front Page, Dreamweaver, NetBeans. Different softwares are also available for the coding of HTML, and I have also provided the links to those softwares in the description box. Even here is a video of which software should be used for coding in the playlist of web designing on my channel. So don't forget to watch that video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe Favorite Educational Hub. See you in the next video.